Ha? Pagpili. Sabi niya sa'yo niya akong kibate din eh. Grabe na kainit. Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mich and for today, I will be sharing my bread pudding recipe. Okay? So I have here the ingredients for the pastry cream. I have milk, sugar, eggs, butter, and my vanilla extract. And then later, for the butterscotch sauce, I have here brown sugar, butter, rum, cinnamon, and some vanilla extract. Okay? So get your saucepan and then let's make first our pastry cream. By the way, you need bread. Okay? So this is bread pudding. You need bread. Pwede yung lumang bread nyo na. So in your saucepan, mix in your milk and half of your sugar. Okay? Tumigas ng aking sugar. Yan. Then, let it simmer over medium heat. While pinapasimmer mo si milk and sugar, in another bowl, you mix your eggs and your sugar, yung natirang sugar. Okay? And then, once your milk and sugar mag-simmer na, you can now slowly temper sa egg mixture mo. Then, balik natin. Okay? Okay, so, once nag-simmer na si milk, temper mo over your egg mixture. Mix and then balik mo siya sa saucepan. And then continue mixing this one over medium heat until mag-sticky siya konti. Okay? Once na-mix mo na si egg mixture here, after tempering, cook this one until mag-thick siya konti. So, how to check? Kailangan mag-coat siya sa back ng wooden spoon. Yan. Okay? So, that's okay already. Then, we can add the butter and your vanilla extract. Okay? Last na to si butter kasi madali lang yan melt. And your vanilla extract. See kung gaano lang siya ka-thick. Yan. That's the perfect consistency pang bread pudding. Okay? So, palamig muna natin konti. Set aside si pastry cream and then let's go to the bread. Okay? So, I have here my lumang bread around 3 days ago na. So, this is pan de leche. Medyo matigas na siya. Okay? Divide natin into 3 medium loaf pan. Huwag nyo gamitin yung mga bagong bread, ha? Gamitin nyo yung lumang bread nyo, yung matigas na. Yan. So, after that, puno na. Let's put the pastry cream. Okay? After this, bake natin siya for 15 minutes. Okay? So, while the bread is baking, gawa na tayo ng sauce. Okay? So, in your pan, put your brown sugar, and then, melt natin ito. Yan. Once melted na si brown sugar, you put your butter, then i-last natin add si cinnamon and the vanilla extract. Okay? So here's the bread pudding, and then let's put sauce. Bake na siya. Let's put the sauce sa taas. Okay? So there you have it, your bread pudding recipe. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!